Hey guys, welcome to KCA. In this video, I'll teach you how you can use the Bollinger Band indicator to make massive profits on trade and how to generate signals with the Bollinger Band indicator. Alright guys, so let's get started. So click on any coin of your choice you want to analyze. Let's click on BTC, which is the king of the market. So when you click on BTC right now, once you use the Bollinger Band indicator, don't forget, when you go down here, this is where you have all the indicators. We see MA, EMA, Bull, this Bollinger Band indicator. We see the XAR, we see the MA vol, we see the MACD, KDJ, and the likes of them. And please, when you check this YouTube channel, I've done a lot of video. I've done videos on RXI, I've done on MA, EMA. Now I'm doing on Bollinger Band indicators for the sake of this class and to educate you and to help you generate signals. So now click on the Bollinger Band indicator. Once you click on it, this is going to pop out. This is the band itself. This is the band. The whole concept of this, like, it's like a band. It stretches. It shrinks as well. So this is what we use. And don't forget that virtually in my little journey of technical analysis and in crypto data, I found out that all indicators, all chart patterns, all systems revolute around support and resistance. They all revolute around support and resistance. So this band we are seeing here is also acting as support and resistance in one way or the other, but yet still used in analyzing the market. So I'm going to teach you how this works. Don't forget that when I taught you about EMA, I taught you about how you can actually unset the default settings in order to generate real signals. When you use default settings, you don't make money. On MA, the same thing. On RSI, I explained the secret behind the 70-30, the overbought and oversold region to you. For you guys that have not watched the videos we have released this month, please go back and watch those videos. They are right here on this YouTube channel. This month, all I'm talking about is indicators. So now on Bollinger Band indicators, what I'll be showing you, there's no unset any settings here. Just let it be. Just what? Just let it be. But in this one, we'll be using what we call the golden cross. You can see here, if you understand what I told you in the MA class, that this yellow line is what we call our golden cross. So now, what this concept preaches is very, very simple. Go back to anywhere you want to see. You see that the Bollinger Band indicator, it's all over. It's encapsulate the chart. It's bring the chart into himself. It's sheet the chart. Let me use that word. It sheet the chart. Don't worry, anyhow. But you find out that all these indicators I'm teaching you guys, they are simple indicators that you can apply at the tip, at the fingertip. You don't need any complex things, just a fingertip. So now, how this works is that you see this golden line, call this yellow line a golden what? A golden line. It's even a gold line or a yellow line, you call it. Anytime the price is above it, is bullish. Anytime the price below it is bearish. Should I repeat myself? Anytime the price above it is what? Bullish. Anytime the price below it is what? Bearish. Simple as ABC. Go back to anything, see. As long as the price is above it, you see bullish. The market keeps going up. When the price comes below it, the market changes down. The market goes above it, it keeps going up. Below it, down. Above it, up. Now, when the market now crosses, now when the actions are, sir, that's true. That's true. I'm seeing it too. You are right too. See, the market is below it here. The market is still coming down. Yes, I'm 100% right. I'm 100% right. Not that I'm right. I'm sure what I'm teaching you. This is what I've practiced over and over again, and I've used this on several occasions. So I'm not just joking with it. I'm right. But nevertheless, sir, what now happens to these two other lines? Now, when you see the market above this line itself, above this up line, this is the uptrend line, and market keep going above it, is uptrend, validating uptrend, and also validating not just uptrend, is validating that please expect a reversal very soon, just like RSI. Do you understand what I taught you guys in RXI? Just like RXI, when the price is trying to claim above this uptrend, the up band, we call this the up band, this is the down band, this is the middle band. Do you get my point? When you not see the market trying to cross above the up band, it shows that the market is already on the high RSI. The market is about to come down shortly. So for instance, now let's see. You see where the market tries to go beyond this up band, what happens next? When the market claims above this up band, what happens next? Boom, it started coming down. When the market claims to go above that up band, it's about to crash. That means it's extremely up. The market is designed to revolute within the band, not outside the band, not up the band, not below the band. And when you also see the market trading below the band, it's about to go up. So the same thing, when the market trying to trade below the band, it's about to go up. When it's trade below the band here, you see up. When trade below the band here, you see up. When it's trying to trade below the band, it's about to go up again. It must maintain the band. It must stay within that band. Do you get my point? So that's why it's called Bollinger Band. So now, that's by the way. Now explain the technicality of this to you. Does it Master have said that once it's above it, it's up. When it's below it, it's down. That's good. But wait for a retest. Don't forget, in all indicators, in all technical analysis I've taught, I always talk about retest. Retest is the way to be double sure. Retest is what says, in the mouth of two or more witnesses, like Bible says, the truth is established. So retest is what we use in establishing the truth. So now that the market right now it's above this, so you get on a short term trade, go ahead and trade. But when you're trading long term, wait for a retest. Now, for instance, now as I'm trading on a long term right now, and the market is above it, so let me just enter and start riding the wave. But the retest breaks below it and keeps coming down. There are this where you see the retest breaks, stand on the retest and keeps going up back. So you get, so you can wait for a retest, but really sharp. As far as this candle is really sharp, as far as this indicator is concerned, retest is not really much of significance. It's not much of significance, but you can cross check with other indicators. It's always good to wait for a retest, but it's not really much of significance. Retest would have been much more easier, maybe on a short term trade, on a short time frame. For instance, now this one day time frame, this higher time frame. Let's go on 1 hour. You can see this short term trade, short term, what's it called? A short term um a lower time frame, sorry, pardon me, a lower time frame. You can see here a lower time frame. You see here the market was below it. You can see when the market was the chart, the price actions was below it. You can see short term. You can see it here. You can see it here. You can see it here. This is applicable at any point in time, and you can see right here that the market is trying to rally up. As long as I see below it, it's still what, a short term trade. It's still a bearish signal. So that's how this band works really. You can use for higher time frame, you can use for a lower time frame, you can use for a short time frame, you can use for a short time trading, a long time trading, depending on whatsoever you're trading part time. But this works really well. I can tell you this works really well. Not just really well, it works really good. It has worked for me on several occasions, on several trades, and I can tell you it's one of the easiest way to make money trading cryptocurrency, and one of the simplest crypto indicators you can use at any point in time. Very simple and straight to the point. All you need is to click on the band and find out what the price action is. For instance, right now, if I want to trade this market right now, if I want to long it, automatically it's still below it. So let me wait a little. If the market successfully close below it, it will be close below this lower band, so that it will soon come up. So you get, so that it's likely to come up anytime soon. Do you get my point? So it's likely to come up anytime soon. But if it's above it, then I'm sure that we are up. So when I see the market successfully crosses above it, all I want to do is to gently enter and trade using this upper band as my take profit. You may not wait for it to get to the upper band, because wait for it to get to the upper band, it may not get to before it get rejected. For instance, let's go. Let me use. Are we on 1 day chart? Yes. Let me shrink in and let's see something. Okay, for instance, now let's look at this point. For instance, let's assume I enter this trade right now and the market has closes above it, and I said I want to long it. Now, if I wait for it to touch this band, it may not touch before it start coming down again. So you get, so don't really wait for it. And let's assume this point right now that I want to wait for it. You may not wait for it to get to the band exactly. That's the resistance point, but you may also wait for it as your take profit, and below it is your stop loss. Below it, your stop loss. So look at the golden cross. Watch out for the golden cross, and anything the golden cross says, you can actually capitalize on that. So that's how to trade with Bollinger Band indicator. So guys, if you have not hit the subscribe button, kindly hit the subscribe button. If you have benefit from this video and you have learned one or two things, kindly hit the subscribe button. That's the best way to say thank you for the video. Thank you for what you just did, guys. Hit the subscribe button. It goes a long way in helping us and in helping you to get notification whenever our new video drops. And you can be sure anything about this year, it's always profitable, it's always the best, and always have a way of educating you the more, and the more. And please ensure you join all our community right on the YouTube channel. You see the links to our Telegram channel, to our WhatsApp channel. Do you know why you need to join the community? That's where I drop quick update, sharp update, trading signal. Buy this coin right now, that's where I drop it. But on YouTube, what I do is that I drop videos, educative content videos. So that's what I do. So join our channel. And I always have what for the Monday market analysis. It has been one of the best things we've done this year. It has helped quite a number of my students, and we hope to continue it. So please, when you join our channel, you get to know our Monday market analysis, where you can drop any signal you want me to analyze for you, what you want me to talk about in the next Monday, and a coin, maybe you're holding the coin correctly, you're not sure if it's going to go up or go down. I will analyze it for you. This week, I still analyze for my students in the last Monday market analysis that they should expect bearish, and you can see here it's bearish. Let me take it to our WhatsApp channel. Oh, it's not right on this phone. It's only on our Telegram. Okay, I think our Telegram channel is right on this phone. Let me see if I can flip to our Telegram channel and show you what I just posted lately to my students and what I told them and what happens in the market. So these are Telegram channel. See, I told them, I said, if you join the Monday market analysis on Monday, you see the market going, and you see the way the market is going right now, you will just be smiling that KCA said it on Monday. I told you guys on Monday that the market this week will be bearish, and you can see the market is bearish like I projected. So it's on Monday market analysis. I told you guys what's going to happen in the market the week, and I'm going to give free signals. So please, guys, join the channel. It's through that channel you get the link to our Monday market analysis. It's not always available right here. So, guys, that is how to go with it. Hit the subscribe button, like the video, and God bless you. See you on the next one. My name is KCA, or Kings of the Kings Crypto Academy.